Hey guys, this is Elias from EK Planes and welcome back to another unboxing review. Today I will review this one, the Inuit -8100 from 3D Design Deck. Before I start, this model takes 10 out of 10. So here is the box, a very nice box, I can tell. This is the second model of 120 made 3D printed aircrafts from 3D Design Deck. You can see the logo here. The Inuit Bombardier -Q8100, the model, handmade in Canada. The registration number. A warning that is not suitable for children under 18 years old. This is not a toy, this is for collectors. So let's open the box. I've noticed once again that they are using this kind of foam. This foam is protecting very well the models, okay? I recommend other manufacturers to do the same thing. It is cheap. It's not expensive. And here is our very beautiful model. So let's have a closer look. So guys, here is our model. The details here are insane. You can see clear the windows, the first passenger door. At the body of the aircraft you can see the Inuit logo. Windows, the escape window, the emergency window, I hope never used from the passengers. Right here you can see the cargo door plus the registration number. You can see the about this paint job of Inuit is extremely beautiful, and also 3D Design, they have done a great job. You can see the tail, the details on the tail are unbelievable. Look at the exhaust of the engines, the Pratt & Whitney engines. Oh my god, it's a very beautiful model. They've done a great job once again. On the belly of the aircraft you can see a lot of details, antennas, the wheels are not rolling, but I'm not a fan of rolling wheels. Although they are rolling the engines, the propulsion engines. Out of 10. Now guys, this was my review for 3D Design Deck Inuit -8100 3D printed aircraft. This video is not sponsored from 3D Design Deck. I've done it because they are doing a great job. They are Greeks from Canada. They are based in Toronto, I believe. I'm looking forward to meet them in the next aviation fair of Amsterdam in 2027. I will definitely recommend to any Canadian airport to buy this model. I recommend to any serious collectors and dash lovers to have it in their collection. I will do a review also for the Air Canada Express, the new release, and the PAL -8100s. They are going to release it the next month. So until the next time guys, bye.